Good Wednesday. This is a very special day. I have put off buying this for, well, a couple of years. This is not what I wanted though. I wanted the Visions version. That's like the Holy Grail. It's very difficult to find. You can find this on eBay as a Corning batter bowl. Some people have called it a milk pot. I had the chance to buy a complete set, brand new, including this piece, as Visions, and I missed out. I'm not sure who bought it, but whoever got it is a lucky son of a I don't remember what they called it on that box. I don't think they called it a milk pot or a batter bowl. This is a Corning white version. It looked so shiny, and I just thought, let's get it. Let's open her up and see what we got.
The white versions, you can find this on eBay kind of frequently. There are a couple on eBay right now. This looked really shiny, and I just thought, okay, I'm not going to wait any longer, because I have been searching for the Visions version forever. Where did I put all this? Well, that looks pretty big.
Wow, that looks bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it was smaller, but it's quite large. Does not have the lid. I have seen pictures of these with a lid. I really don't know what you use them for. Batter? It's not your traditional batter shape. I've seen these for years, but I didn't know it was this big. Oh, come on. Fast forward. There you go. Whoa. Ooh. Boy, that is huge. I thought it was so much smaller, like maybe a large mixing cup. Oh, it's very shiny. Very shiny in there. That's one of the reasons why I wanted it. Sometimes they're kind of marred up a little bit. There is a little discoloration on the rim. Some Bon Ami or Mother's Mag might take that right off. Oh, the bottom is shiny. Look at that. It says Corning. Oh, it's pretty. What do I use it for? Did I need to pour? Cowboy coffee. That's pretty hefty. I'm not gonna weigh it, but that's got to be, boy, at least 2 pounds plus, maybe. Very nice. I finally got one. Made in USA, 1.5 liters. I didn't notice that it says 1.5 liters under there. Wow. Let's see if I have a matching lid. It's my 1.5 country cornflower lid, I think. Too big. This goes to my Christmas 1983 range topper-esque saucepan. Nope. We're getting close though. That's a V1C. Oh. V1C. There's a little gap here. Fits very well on the sides. The V1C. I just need a clear one. Do I have a clear one? I found one. It's a V1C. I think this goes to my country cornflower. This goes to my country cornflower pour saucepan. That's like a perfect fit. That is a perfect fit. Just have to clean up a little bit on the rim here. Otherwise, it's pristine. I don't know what to use it for yet. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. Corning Ware Batter Bowl, otherwise known as fill in the blank. You know what I'm gonna say. Thanks for watching. I found a spare lid. It's also a V1C. Probably will still buy a clear one, but I have a lid temporarily. Pretty cool. See. That's not good. Oh.